We're a specialist trade waste collection and processing company based here in South Devon, and our business operates in the South Devon, East Cornwall and into Mid Devon areas. We collect waste from businesses, we collect waste materials in either bagged, bins or even baled formats, and bulk collections we do as well. And then we bring all this material to our processing plant here at Torquay Industrial Estate, where we actually process waste on behalf of other trade waste companies and also local authorities, where we actually process municipal waste from everybody's households. We set the business up in 2007 because we saw an opportunity, but also we actually really wanted to make a difference. And we knew that all of this material, much of it was going to landfill, and that wasn't right. Reuse of materials, recycling of materials is a fabulous way that we can actually make a contribution. We look at waste as a resource and understand exactly what we can do with it. And the business has now grown. We currently have 6 collection vehicles out on the roads, and we collect from something like 1,700 businesses and properties around the area.
Tiki Recycling has a wide customer base. We have local authorities, we have other waste companies that want to use Tiki Recycling's facility. We also have our business customers. They can be the corner shop, your caravan site, they could be a pub, a restaurant. Anybody who is a business really could benefit with Tiki Recycling's service.
People should consider us because we look at waste in a different way. So we go and see a client, we go right back through the supply chain, we actually look at how we can reduce the amount of waste being produced first of all, which is the basic part of the recycling methodology that we look at. Then we look at the actual material streams that are going to be produced, and then we advise on how they can be best treated, how they can be collected. We have to be competitive in the marketplace, but price isn't our key driver. It's about the recovery of the materials to stop any further waste going to landfill. That is the prime concern.
Previously we had segregated bins, so there'd be one bin for your cardboard, one for your paper, one for your plastics and one for your cans. You'd have the anxiety or the frustrations that perhaps you or a member of your staff was putting tins into the plastics into the cardboard. So we came up with the Omni bin, all into one bin. We make it really simple, really effective, everything into one bin. You bin it, we sort it.
The system that we have here in the recycling plant actually uses a mixture of high technology and some human sorting to actually make the best of all the material streams that we bring in. But the automatic sorting of the plastics is really the star of the show here in the plant. This uses the latest near-infrared technology to actually sort the polymers by type, and we use high-tech air jets that select or deselect the material, leaving us with the material streams that we choose.
We really do embrace companies. We look after them. We keep in touch almost on a monthly basis. We can give them stats and figures on how they're doing. We put together a package that best suits them, and then we monitor that package and make improvements along the way.
We can process more waste than other processing facilities around the country. Much of the waste here in the southwest was previously transported long distances, some of it right to Essex, to actually be processed. So we've invested here in the technology. We're also considering going down the route of wash and granulation so that we can actually take the plastics to the next stage of processing, and we could actually complete what we call a closed loop of recycling. We can then supply materials to manufacturers to reuse in their manufacturing processes here in the southwest.
Here at Tiki Recycling, we really do care. We're very passionate and very enthusiastic about what we do. We like making a difference, we like looking after businesses, and we like to see businesses flourish under our stewardship.